Hi, I'm Paul from Paul Ford Leather, and what I'm going to do is show you some before and after photos that people have sent me after using the do-it-yourself leather restoration kit. So first up we have a couch by Cecil, and Cecil was quite nervous about this one. As you can see, it's got a lot of cracking in the seating and also on the arms. There's a lot of wear on the bottom edge there as well, and it was just looking really sad and tired, and she really liked the comfortability of it, but it looked sad. So she decided she'd do one cushion first, and here's the photo that she sent me. She was very excited about this. There's before and there's after, and she had the confidence after doing one cushion to continue to do the rest of it. So here is the end result. Now the downside to getting photos from people is they have different cameras and different ways of taking photos, so some of them aren't as good. This is not a very clear photo, but it gives you an idea of what folks are actually getting. Next up we have a corner suite by Marlene. Now Marlene actually bought this one from off Trade Me, and when she got it in her home she didn't realise how how bad the condition of it was, so she had a quote, and she was telling me it was in the vicinity of around $3,000 to $3,500 to refinish this, which I thought was pretty over the top. Here's a close-up here of the seat cushion. So as you can see, it's looking quite discoloured and cracked in places. So she got hold of me and I made up a DIY restoration kit for her, and here's what she got. So I mean, Marlene was 77 years old. She was quite proud of the fact that she was a grandma, and she wasn't letting her husband touch it, so she was determined to do it herself. So good on you, Marlene. She's done a really good job. And this one here is Belinda. She had this this beautiful looking lounge suite. It's done with a dyed leather. So what happens with dye is, as you can see, it's all faded, along these sort of areas here. Dye, as opposed to pigment, is not light fastness, and this is, or not light fast, shall I say, and this is exactly what has happened here. And as you can see, it's had staining, it's got all sorts of carry on there. Here's a photo of the outside back. So this outside back has been exposed to the sunlight. So she wanted to do something to tidy it up. So I did a kit for her, and she was very proud of the fact that she'd done one chair, so she sent that to me. So as you can see, it's quite a transformation. She wanted it darker, so we did that for her. And here's the photo of the couch. Again, the lighting wasn't great, the photo wasn't terrific, but that'll give you an idea of what people are getting. And everyone has a different level of expectation, so she was absolutely delighted with that. Now this is a retro chair, or actually two retro chairs from Mike. These are really cool looking chairs. You don't sort of see many of these days. So as you can see, it had cracking on the arms and on the seat cushions. And here's the photo of the other one. Yeah, you can see it's all sort of worn there. So he wanted to do something to tidy this up. So I did he sent me a sample of the leather, and I matched up a kit for him. And here's the results that he got. So again, he was absolutely delighted. His retro chairs now look like they fit to be in a living area, so he was proud to show these ones off. And there's a close-up of the other one. So yeah, so that's some results from Mike. And here's a chair from David. He had one sort of classic chair. This is the before photo that he sent me. And again, this is a semi-aniline leather, which means it's done with a dye and then has a sealer over the top. And again, that's all faded and has all worn away. So this was his. This is the job he's going to have a crack at. And here's the after photo. So he was pretty happy with that. You can see the other chair in the background there. So that'll give you some idea anyway of some of the before and after results that people are getting, and once they're unleashing their creative ability, they can produce a masterpiece themselves. So there you go, folks. Over and out.